Hi, today I have a challenge lock for you guys. It's the Tough Guy by West Coast Pick, and a pretty interesting lock is that Tough Guy. In my case, it's upside down. So here's the key and the beading, 5-pin key, short pin, and the fifth one is short. The fourth one is very long. So pretty nice. Beading, and I will try to pick it now. I will go fine. Let's start counterclockwise, and I will of course start with the fourth diamond. So let's start. 1, it's binding, small click, 2 nothing, 3 small click, 4 click, 5 small click, 1 nothing, 2 it's binding, big click and big false set. So let's go again from 1 nothing, 2 again it's binding and giving me counter rotation, and now another click from 2, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, let me go with 5, small click, and I lost that full set. Again 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, and I don't know if I can reach pin number 5, but I think yeah, 1 is binding. So I set again pin number 1. I will now go with this tip hook. I think I need it for pin number 5, but let me check another pins. 3 is binding. I think I set pin number 3 and I lost my full set, and I get back my full set touching pin number 5, and let me check again. I think I set pin number 5, but 4 is giving me counter rotation. Yeah, I think I set pin number 4, or maybe I overset it. Let me check. Pin 1, nothing. So I'll start again. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4 nothing, pin 5. I cannot, I don't know why, but I cannot reach pin number 5. Oh, I touched pin number 2 and we're open. Pretty nice pick. Let me disassemble this guy. It's open. I'm open. Pretty nice pick. So let me disassemble it, but I will close it. I have a key. Let me. I need to remove this part. This tail piece and the screws, and I have keys, so let's do it like this. Oh, the shim. I will shim it. I will shim every challenge lock. That's the safest way to do it. I know that 2 and maybe some other pins is 2 is spool, 2 is, yeah, 2 is 30 pin. I think 3 is rated, maybe. We'll see. Here is the key, here's the pin, all need to be picked. I cannot see nothing down on the core, but let me drop the pins. First is spool, second is rated, third is rated, fourth one is spool, and the fifth one is rated and spoolish like pin. Very nice custom pins. Nothing down on the core. Yeah, everything is stuck and standard. So let me check I need to remove the shim. Let me check the drivers. First is rated. Second, let me grab I will later get the springs. Second one is two-part, and I think it was like this, and yeah, of course it's a T-pin and two-part pin. Come on, focus. And very nicely done, nicely made. The third one, it's a spool, so let's go from the other side. The fifth one needs again, yeah, it's two-part pin, and the fourth one is standard small pin. Pretty interesting. Let me dump all the springs. I don't know if they are the same or they will go one by one. So first one, so fifth one, come on, fourth one, small spring. I don't know, need a follower. Here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. Come on. Here's all the. I think nothing is done on the. Yeah, nothing is done on the body and the core. So yeah, here's that guy, here's all the pins. So first it's a spool key pin and it's rated driver. Come on. The second one is rated key pin and two like a collar, two-part pin, pretty nicely done, and serration on the bottom. The third one is rated key pin and spool as a driver. The fourth one is spool as a key pin and standard driver, and the fifth one is serrated key pin and pretty nice two-part pin with a T-pin and spool. So two T-pins. I was stuck on the second one. So that's it. That's the West Coast Picks, the tough guy. Thank you Screen for sending it my way. Guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.